Today we are going to learn in further to our follower reads pattern how follower reads pattern is actually done in Mongo and Kafka. Not actually done, but what are the caveats of follower reads pattern in MongoDB and Kafka. Before we do that, first of all, we have to understand that in follower reads pattern, a leader can have multiple followers. And it is up to the client or up to the cluster to decide which followers should be eligible to allow clients to read. So for that, what is going to happen is all the writes are going to come on leader and reads are going to come on followers. Now all followers may not be eligible. The followers which are lagging far behind the leader should not be used for reading data because they are going to provide very old data or stale data, and followers which are approximately caught up with the leader, which has approximately all the data that leader has with some range of difference, can be allowed. Now, what are the factors which can impact the lag on followers? Lag is basically the difference between the data that is written on leader and the data that has been copied on follower. So that difference is called lag, and this lag can be impacted by the network latencies that are present in between leader and follower. It can be dependent on the compute resources being utilized by the follower. If follower is unstable or the hardware on which follower is unstable, that can also impact the speed at which follower can replicate from the leader, and clients should always read from the followers which are not lagging far behind the leader. So when we take the example of Kafka, where leader and followers are present, if the leader is far behind the follower and client tries to fetches some offset which is not present in the follower, then it is going to give offset out of range error. Whereas in MongoDB, we have a configuration which allows maximum lag or maximum time for which a follower can be behind a leader. For example, let's say follower is behind 5 seconds. The data which is written on leader gets replicated to followers after 5 seconds. This is the replication lag, which is called replication lag. And this value can be configured in MongoDB so that no reads are done by the clients on the followers which are more than 5 seconds behind leader. This value can be configured to any value, and this is how you can control the follower reads patterns consistency in your database, or in your cluster.